Hi guys, welcome back to our channel 1 to Step. In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to update CapCut on your Android phones. So if this sounds helpful, so keep watching this video till the end and subscribe to this channel if you are new, and let's get straight into the video. To update your CapCut app on your Android device, you'll need to head over to the Play Store application. Find your Play Store application and tap open the application. Now on the search bar, which is located on the top of the screen, type CapCut. If the CapCut application has an update, simply tap on update. As soon as you do that, the updates will start to download on your device. If you don't see an option for update, that means that your CapCut application is up to date and no updates are needed. After the update has been completed, you could see an option to open it, and you can simply open it and use the application as you normally would. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be back soon with more content similar to this. Thanks for watching.